This video I'm about to show you guys how you can transfer your adminship to someone on WhatsApp. So over here you can see I've already have this group chat where I'm the admin. Now to transfer my adminship, what I'll do is I'm going to simply hit over here and then just tap on any one of the member of the group, which if I go and scroll down a little bit I can see it. And let's just choose my friend over here and just tap on him, and then you can see it says make group admin. I'm going to simply head on make group admin, and see, that's how easy it is. Now my friend is been added as admin. And yes guys, that's how you do it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and helpful content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.